Why does the world care about current US immigration reform proposals? Imagine a world where the policies of one country can ripple across borders, affecting millions of lives. That's exactly what happens with United States immigration reform proposals. The United States is a major destination for migrants from Latin America, Asia, Africa, and beyond. When the country updates its immigration laws, it sends signals about how welcoming or strict it will be. These signals influence migration flows, economic opportunities, and international relations. Many reform proposals focus on how immigrants can enter, stay, and work legally in the United States. They also address border security and how the government enforces immigration laws. For Latino families, these changes can mean the difference between living with stability or facing uncertainty. If protections for dreamers, who were brought to the United States as children, are cut, many could face deportation. This impacts families and communities in the United States and in their countries of origin. Humanitarian concerns are also at the heart of these proposals. Some suggest creating special centers at the southern border to provide medical care, legal support, and faster asylum decisions. While these aim to improve conditions, they still involve holding migrants in custody, which raises questions about human rights internationally. Countries around the world watch how the United States handles these situations, as it sets a standard for human treatment. Work permits and economic contributions are key issues. Some reforms want to expand work authorization, allowing more immigrants to work legally and contribute to the economy. But critics say some systems for verifying employment can be flawed, especially affecting Latino workers. If these systems wrongly deny lawful workers, it can hurt families and communities. Enforcement policies also matter. Increased funding for detention centers, including family detention, can cause psychological harm to children and families. Many countries see these policies as harsh and inhumane, raising concerns about due process and human rights. These policies can also influence how other nations view the United States' commitment to fairness and justice. International relations are deeply affected. Stricter enforcement can push more migrants to enter illegally or cause humanitarian crises at borders. On the other hand, reforms that create legal pathways can help manage migration better and improve cooperation with countries of origin. This can lead to more stable migration patterns and stronger diplomatic ties. For Latino families, staying informed about current reform proposals is vital. Changes in visa rules, family reunification policies, or asylum protections directly impact their lives. Knowing what to expect can help families prepare and access legal help or community resources. These reforms shape their safety, opportunities, and ability to stay united. In the end, the world cares about United States immigration reform because it influences millions of lives, shapes migration trends, and reflects values about human rights and fairness. For Latino families, these policies are not just about laws. They are about family stability, community strength, and hope for a better future.